Hi there, this is Andrew at 20i. We've recently released a new UI tool available via the hosting package control panel that essentially allows you to scan files and directories on a hosting package to make sure that they have the correct permissions that we recommend. So for example, if you use the UI tool, it will check for files and directories on that hosting package, and if we detect that it's not using file permissions that we recommend, then you'll be given the opportunity to amend the permissions on those particular files. This is particularly useful as having incorrect permissions on files and directories, for example having 777 permissions on a file, can lead to issues and can lead to a site becoming compromised. So in order to use the tool and in order to figure out where it is, you'll want to go to Manage Hosting, and then once you've done so, you'll then want to manage the hosting package that you wish to check the permissions on. So we'll do it for this package here. Once loaded, we'll then want to go to Web Files and File Permissions Checker. And from this point, we'll be given the option to scan the package, scan the files and the directories that are on the package. So we'll do so by selecting either this or this. So this may take a moment or two. Okay, so once the scan has completed, you should see something similar to the following. If you don't, then that means the permissions on the package are fine and you don't need to take any further action. However, if permissions aren't okay on the package or aren't those that we recommend, you'll see something such as the following. So here we can see that we have a number of files that have incorrect permissions. So with a view to resolving this, we can select the files that we wish to fix and then simply select Fix Permission. In this instance, as we have a few files here that need amending, what we want to do, we'll select this. This then selects every single file that has been seen to have incorrect permissions. Once we've done that, we then just want to select Fix Selected. Okay, so once finished, you should see a screen similar to the following. Essentially what we did there was go through all of the files that were mentioned on the aforementioned screen and essentially update them to use the correct permissions. So if we now use the tool again, we can see that it's now not returning any results and that the permissions for all of those files and directories on the previous screen have now been sorted, and we can breathe a sigh of relief. So essentially that's the file permission scanner in a nutshell. We hope this helps. If you run into any problems, please do let us know.